Hello YouTube. I have an unboxing here of my Harbor Freight Chicago Electric impact wrench. Let's get this thing out of the box. Let's see. Oh boy, it's heavy, I tell you that. Huh. I expected it to be in a plastic bag, but it's not. My. Instruction manual. Big, beefy, half-inch drive. Replaceable brushes. Any new brushes come with it. Don't see any. Oh yeah. There's some spare brushes right there. Okay. And it looks like forward and reverse. All right, let's plug it in and see what it does. Polarized plug, one side bigger. Oh boy, we're wired for action. Well, it works. There you have it, YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.